Hello and welcome. Today we will do some exercise that involves the subtraction of fractions and also the addition of fractions. But we will do this not directly but indirectly by trying to solve to get the missing values of the dimensions of the given figure. In this figure, some of the dimensions are given of the sides of the figure, whereas some are missing. Well, the first one we wish to look at is the dimension. This dimension, what is the given dimension here, the unknown dimension? In order to know that, let us consider this height, which is 5/6 inch, and on the other side, by the way, we assume all sides to be parallel. On the other side, this height is known, which is 2/5 inches, but from this to the bottom we don't know what the height is, so this is the unknown and the one we are looking for. In order to determine these heights, if the sum of these two equals that one, then by subtracting 2/5 inch from 5/6 inch, it is possible to determine the unknown value. So this is the expression we have. The unknown value is to be determined by subtracting 2/5 from 5/6. In this case, the denominators are unlike, so this is a case of subtracting unlike fractions. So we must first get the LCM of the two denominators. The two denominators we have here are 5 and 6. So what are the LCM of 5 and 6? First, we get the multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? Let us write the multiples of 5. They are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. It continues like that. What about 6? What are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, that is adding 6 at each step. 24, 30, 36, and so on. But now we see the first occurrence of the common multiple. Actually, the common multiple is 30. This is the least common multiple. So we are now in a position to solve this subtraction. What we do is we take the LCM at the denominator, and after that we try to do the subtraction. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Minus 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 25 minus 12 over 30. This is equal to 13 over 30. This is a proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. It cannot be further simplified because 13 and 30 don't have any common factor other than 1. This is the final answer. Our answer for the given dimension here, this dimension is 13 over 30. Now let us determine the other unknown dimension, and this case, this is the unknown dimension spanning from this end to this end horizontally. So how do we know the distance from this point to that point? Actually, we are given the distance from this end to that end to be 3.3/5 inch, and the distance from this end to that end is also given as 2/5 inch. In this case, to determine the unknown, you can easily figure out it is a matter of adding the two known values, the two known sides. That means we have to add 3/5 to 2/5. The addition, well, this is the addition. Fortunately, the addition is that of like fractions. So, in case of like fractions, we take the common denominator, and then it is a matter of adding the numerators. So we get the result to be 5/5. So 5/5 is nothing other than 1. So that dimension, which is shown here, is equal to 1 inch. Essentially, in this example, we have seen both addition and subtraction of fractions. Also, the exercise involved figuring out different dimensions, geometric dimensions. We will have a chapter dealing with geometry. There we will go at length in figuring out these types of problems. But mainly, this problem was designed to help us do exercises relating addition and subtraction of fractions. Thank you for your attention. I will come back with another similar question in our next session. Bye bye.